Pit Boss Nation? I'm Jeff Coates, and I'm here to tell you about hashtag Pit Boss Thanks Grilling. Our bird has brined for over 24 hours. We've got a nice butter rub with the Pit Boss Champion Chicken Spices. It's stuffed with Granny Smith apples, onion, along with a lot of celery. It is going to be awesomeness. It's on the Pit Boss Grill's 700 FB set at 225. Come on, check it out. Come in here, come in here, come in here. So not to be left out, we included the Copperhead 5 Series vertical smoker. We've got the sweet potato on right now. We're gonna put the green beans on a little later. It's all gonna be, as I say, awesomeness. So whatever you're gonna do for your hashtag Pit Boss Thanks Grilling, I hope it's awesome, and please enjoy and be safe. Thinking of you, we are.